It's time. Yeah, just call me Santa Claus. Welcome back to my Advent Calendar series where I open and I buy with my hard-earned money Advent calendars. That's right. This is the L'Oreal 25 days of Christmas Advent calendar. And boy, do we have lots to unbox. Yes, I was influenced. After this one, I have about 4 more that I'm so excited about that are rare, that I have not seen anyone unbox except for maybe 1 or 2. Let's get started, but before we do that, tricked ya. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell notification because I'm feeling very generous lately, and I think I want to give away 1 more Advent calendar to 1 more lucky winner. Speaking of, congratulations to Debbie for winning the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar Treasure Chest 2025. It's on its way, if not already in your hands. Let's go ahead and get this party started. The reason I got influenced with this specific calendar is because I hear everything's full size. We'll be the judge of that now, won't we? So let's start with numero uno. But boy, oh boy, are we starting off strong. This is L'Oreal's Mascara Paradise. It's a big deal. Big deal. I have not used this, actually. And I feel like L'Oreal as a general brand is super underrated. Here's the wand in case you were wondering. It's a little crooked, but I think that is on purpose. Moving on to number 2. I see you. It's going to be like, oh God. And it dropped down. Great. Hold please. Okay, we're going to have to get back to number 2. Number 2 has died, but will come back to life here soon, I hope. Oh, 3. Maybe you're in 3 now. Maybe there's a 2 in 1. L'Oreal's Lumi Le Liquid Blush. Full size. Yes. L'Oreal, you know what's up. Number 4, I'm still missing 2. I just heard it jiggle though. Ooh, who are you? And are you not full size or are you just tiny? You're full size. I think this is their brow lamination. I've never used it, but I've heard great things. Laminate my brow. Thank you. Okay. Ooh. What is this? What's your name? And nice to meet you. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Moisturizer Hydrant. Cute. Love it. Never heard of it. And I think it's full size. I'm having a great time, actually. I'm probably having more fun than you are. 6. Lash Paradise. Ooh, this is a brown, I'm assuming, or burgundy mascara, but let's see. It would go well with my outfit. Abercrombie & Fitch. Plaid is in. Burgundy is in. We win. You should just be a poet or a rapper. Woo! Slippery little suckers. Dun 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 dun. L'Oreal Plump Ambition. Anything with plump and lip oil. Stay on my lips, will ya? There we go. This looks delightful, and I can't wait to throw it in my purse. It's a minty fresh scent, like as if you were popping a Tic Tac. This kind of looks like Dior's lip oils, right? Without the little knob on top. Just saying. Ooh. Not sticky, but there's a hair, and I'm assuming it's not a human hair. I'm assuming it was already on my lips. I hope. Number 9. I never knew that there was such thing as a mascara primer until recently, but then I realized, what am I priming when I have 1 eyelash left on each eye? So L'Oreal offers a much cheaper primer than like Dior, and I got both. This is the primer. It's white. It's wonderful. Merry Christmas. If you were 10, where would you be? Oh, there, I found you number 2, and I found like quite a few. Okay, so I don't know if number 2 came with 2 little things here, but I believe this was number 2. Anyway, this is a great eyeliner. I do have this, very pigmented, doesn't move, and also hard to wash off. But it's a black liner. It's great, it's creamy, gorgeous. Then we have lip liners. This was not a gift. The only Advent calendar that was gifted, FYI, was L'Occitane. I've been saying it wrong. That whole video, I said it wrong. Okay, look at that. See? Worth it. Worth every penny. Just this Advent calendar alone. I just want this product because it seems to be great. Has a nice little pointed tip. Ooh, I do have this. L'Oreal, the Lumi Le Glace Highlighter. This is a great highlighter. Make my cheeks look like a mirror ball trophy, and I am happy. Ooh. I'm pretty sure it's a lip tint, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to love it. I'm obsessed with lip tints. Look at that red. Here you are. Oh, I love the wrapping. This is I'm assuming, an eyeshadow stick. Looks like a beautiful color. Little rose gold action on the lids. Call it one and done. Number 14. This is definitely not full size, I don't think. Oh, could be. This is the Bond Repair Oil and Serum. This is for your hair bonds. Yeah. 15. Small, yet mighty. We'll see. This looks expensive. Let's see. Great color. Great. I would say this is like a cooler tone. Just kidding. Warmer tone color. This is a burnt orange. Little rose burnt orange. This is a good one. This is going straight in my purse. You guessed it. You know, I have to say Sephora had an advent calendar, not as big as this, but similar packaging. It's a little bit better packaging, around the same price range, but it's sold out. But they have other advent calendars at Sephora. Go to my Sephora storefront for more. I will link everything though in the description box below. As you know, we've got another lipstick. That's right, in spicy red. We're not trying this on. Number 20, Double Extend Beauty Tubes Mascara. I feel like L'Oreal does have the best mascara, drugstore mascara that is. I don't really believe in buying luxury mascara, though I have recently. There's 2 brands that I love that are luxury that really make my 3 lashes look like I have 6. So 2-sided mascara, not just 1-sided. We've got black, and I'm assuming, is this a primer or a brown? It's a primer. We have another eyeshadow stick, Gorgina. Then we have, this is definitely travel size, but it's still like a good amount. Okay, makeup setting spray. This looks strong like Donkey Kong. 21. It's Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream, L'Oreal Paris. Did you guess? Another mascara? Yeah. How did I know? Because it looks like it. I love me a thin wand, you know? Ooh, another travel size. I do love their hairspray. L'Oreal, 6 ingredients only. That's it. The Elnet hairspray. Extra strong hold for the extra strong hair. Ooh, this is good. They saved the best for last. This is the True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer. I would recommend this if you're not trying to you're not trying to change the color of your skin, like you want just glow. This is a great product. I'm a tanning snob, so listen to me and you'll go places. Someone said, how come we didn't open number 25? There isn't a 25. The 25 is Merry freaking Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Let's rate this calendar. Comment below. Oh my God, I am on one tonight. I'll see you when I unbox the next advent calendar. Thank you guys so much. I always have fun talking to myself, but I know I'm making somebody laugh. Maybe, maybe not. Let me know what you think of this L'Oreal Advent Calendar 2025, and if you would purchase it. Is it worth it? Is it not? Love ya. See you next time. Maybe it's oh, that's Maybelline. Oops. Okay, hold on. I'm really trying technical difficulties. Jesus Christ. Wow.